Friends, welcome to Juani's Garden. My name is Juani. Friends, I got my order from Thrive, and it's not a big one, but I wanted to show you what came in. Particularly one item that I'm excited about, and I'll tell you in a minute, but let's start over here. So we got our collagen peptides. This one here, friends, look, it's blue corn. It is organic. Well, let me see. Let's take a look. It's non-GMO verified. It is gluten-free certified. It is blue corn, and it's made with avocado oil. So I'm excited to try those chippies. My granddaughter calls them chippies. And then this salsa here, friends, look. Also, salsa soleada. That looks pretty good too. See that? Okay. This one is also different, friends. Sourdough penne ricotta. Organic pasta. See? Got two of those. Can't wait. I'm going to leave my special item for till the end. So let me move over past it. Go this way. Got our apple cider vinegar. Got some chocolate covered almonds with sea salt. So these are keto friendly, paleo, organic, vegan, yummy and healthy. Okay, friends, this is the item that I'm super excited about. This is masa harina, which is golden corn flour. It is organic. And we're going to be making tamales, friends, with this. I've only made tamales once in my entire life. And it was a job. It was hard. It was intense. So I never did it again. And my husband has been hinting time after time that he wants tamales. So my son ordered the masa to make some. So once we get ready, friends, we'll make them and show you. We'll do a taste test and see how they come out. So friends, thanks so much for visiting the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a like. See you again soon.